Hi, good night. How are you? Today we are going to learn about the chapter 1, activity 5 for grade 9, intestinal absorption, structure of intestine, and ways of absorption. First, let we begin with the structure and function of small intestine. The small intestine, its function is the chemical digestion, major organs of digestion and absorption. Absorption through lining over 6 meters. Small intestine has a huge surface area, about 300 meters square, near to the size of a tennis court. The structure of it, there are 3 sections: duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. In duodenum, mass digestion. In jejunum and ileum, absorption of nutrients and water. This is a microscopic structure of small intestine. Look at the tube of small intestine, which is irrigated by blood, vein carrying blood to hepatic portal vessel. There are many layers, such as muscle layer, large circular folds, and villi. Look at the folds, these the initial folds, and inside the fold, inside each fold, there are villi, microscopic folds. We take one of the folds and we magnify it under electronic microscope. We see this structure, which is made up of layer of cells, intestinal cells, and inside there are 2 types of vessels, blood vessels, uh, artery and vein for blood, and lymph vessel, which is the green one. This is the structure of one villus or villi in plural. Look at the villi structure. Okay. This is the process of absorption of food. After digestion, carbohydrates are transformed into simple sugars and absorbed through blood. Proteins are digested into fatty acid and glycerol, amino acid, sorry, and absorbed by blood. And finally, lipids are digested into fatty acid and glycerol. They take away toward the lymph and then reabsorbed by blood after. This is the intestine. The nutrients are inside the intestine and absorbed through intestinal cells to the blood. The duodenum, first section of small intestine, acid food from stomach and mixes with digestive juice from pancreas, liver, and gallbladder. Look at the digestive tube, passes from here, from stomach, and to the duodenum. In large intestine, the colon, its function is to reabsorb water. Use 9 liters of water every day in digestive juices. 90% of water is reabsorbed, not enough water absorbed in case of diarrhea, and too much water is absorbed in case of constipation. Finally, the rectum, the last section of colon, which is the large intestine, it eliminates feces and undigested materials, extracellular waste, mainly cellulose from plants, which is not digested by enzymes inside the digestive tube, because there is no enzyme which is called cellulase, roughage of fiber, mass of bacteria. This is the end of our video. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video